Today I want to talk about how I'm building Momentito. Let's do a small recap. Momentito is a 30-day community experiment platform where you can do daily check-ins to track your mood and the impact the experiment has on your daily life. In the daily check-in, you also answer prompts for that specific experiment. So in the app, you can also see the progress you made, including the check-in streak, and also how the community is doing as a whole. Let's talk about my building philosophy. It mainly consists of three things: low friction, simple and small, and have quick feedback loops. When it comes to tools I use for building the app, I use Notion, Claude Design, and Claude Code. My workflow usually starts with brainstorming ideas in Notion with the help of Notion AI, and the outcome is usually a summary of the idea, which you can see here. I have a goal or purpose and a list of characteristics of the app for version 1. What's worth mentioning is that I didn't define actual views here. I want Claude Design to decide that for me. Then with that summary, I put that into Claude Design and see what he comes up with. Then I usually spend some time in Claude Design to tweak it until I'm happy with version 1. Then I export each view as an HTML file. Then I create a vision.md file for Claude Code using Notion AI and Claude Design. Then I put those HTML files in my IDE so Claude Code has access to them. I start by creating each view separately, but as soon as they exist, I kind of go back and forth between the designer and Claude Code. The tech stack I chose for Momentito is Flutter for native app support, as well as AWS because I basically build all my other apps in there as well, and Node.js plus TypeScript in the backend. So now the question is, what comes next? I'm already done with version 0.1, and I think next I want to do a small walkthrough so you know what's up. I hope you enjoyed this small update, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps out a ton. See you in the next one. Bye!